In this video, we're going to talk about how to clean your carpets using Carpet Shampoo Brushes by Malish. We'll start with the SpinSafe carpet brush that utilizes a smooth stainless steel adjustable glide plate that allows the brush to easily glide over carpet, as this helps to protect the integrity of the carpet, reduces drag, and increases efficiency. The SpinSafe carpet brush comes in two sizes, a 15-inch option that fits a 17-inch floor machine, and an 18-inch that fits a 20-inch floor machine. Note, we recommend when ordering brushes to order a brush that is 2 inches smaller than the machine. This will allow the bristles to fan out without hitting the housing of the machine. If you need to adjust the stainless steel glide plate, the adjustment screws are on the top of the block rather than on the bottom to eliminate the chance of metal screws snagging and pulling up carpet fibers. The multiple stage adjustment screws allow the plate to be adjusted as the bristles wear or for various carpet naps. First, spray your cleaning solution on the carpet. Alternatively, you can attach the Malish solution tank to your swing machine and spray the cleaner while you're using the brush. Then, simply attach the brush to the machine and start to agitate the chemicals into the carpet. Notice how the SpinSafe brush glides across the carpet with ease, making the entire process effortless. Unlike a plastic glide plate, the stainless steel design dissipates heat buildup and prevents melting, discoloration, and overheating. Once you've made a few passes over the soiled area, you'll take a water extractor to lift the soil from the carpet. Now, let's take a look at our nylon and polypropylene carpet shampoo brushes. They're offered in sizes ranging from 10 inches to 20 inches in diameter and 21 inches for the nylon brush. On brushes 14 inches in diameter and larger, the two outer rows are heavier to scrub the carpet and flex the pile, while the softer inner rows massage the dirt from the carpet for a deeper cleaning action. The nylon carpet brush is the best quality brush for this application. Nylon is flexible and supple enough to gently scrub carpets, yet has more memory than other fibers for a longer lasting brush. While the polypropylene brush is a low-cost alternative to nylon for situations that call for less frequent use, ideal for the rental trade. Bristles are slightly stiffer than nylon. You'll follow the same steps as before. Spray, agitate, and extract. It's as simple as that.